Hey everybody, I'm back. The next one that I wanted to talk about was people call black people ratchet and ghetto. Uh a lot of people say they ain't really never heard um minorities such as like maybe white people or Latino people or Asian people or any other people that been called ratchet or ghetto. But I think of it like this. Anything that you do out in public and you go online and you post it, that's ratchet and ghetto. If you at a dinner and you loud, that's ratchet and that's ghetto. And if you sitting there, listen to me now, because I want everybody to get a good understanding on what I'm saying. Because what I'm saying is, I'm not trying to drag anybody, and I'm not trying to talk about nobody. But everybody, it was on the internet, and what I did like what Carlos King had said. He had sit there and said on the other housewife show that nobody called Lisa Renner or anybody else of that fact on that show ghetto a ratchet when they, hit the bottle on the table or something. But soon as a black person is like fighting outside or maybe fighting in local stores or doing whatever, they ghetto and ratchet. But to me, to Carlos' question in hand, I like to tell him because it is ghetto and it's ratchet. If you if you was out in Walmart, and I don't know if y'all seen this, but I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna tell y'all. If you out there in Walmart and you argue with somebody out there in the parking lot or in the store, that's ghetto and that's ratchet. Why is you doing it? I know for a fact. I know for a fact, and I'm gonna say I know for a fact because I know for a fact you wasn't raised like that because my mama didn't raise me like that. So I know for a fact you wasn't raised like that. So, but to make a long story short, I don't know if y'all seen it. I don't know where I seen this at. I don't know if it was on YouTube or if I don't know if it was on Instagram or if I don't know if it was on TikTok. I think it was on TikTok where these two women was dating the same guy inside of Walmart. I think both of them got fired. He was supposed to be, I think, the stock manager or some kind of manager. I don't know. But anyway, she was telling the whole Walmart her business, and she was fighting this woman when y'all should have been getting at the man because of simply the fact both of y'all was dating the same man. Both of y'all was dating the same man, and he was being ratchet. He was being ratchet by himself. You know what I'm saying? But you fighting another woman over a man that both of y'all had been having. Both of y'all is silly. Because at the end of the day, it's ratchet. And then you fighting this manager or whatever. I think he was like a stock manager or something in Walmart. I don't know what he was. But at the end of the day, y'all both fighting him. And now both of y'all don't have a job. I'm just here to say is uh I don't think that black people should be the only one. I'm sorry about that noise, y'all. Called um ghetto or ratchet. I think it should be for everybody because I feel like if you do something out in public wrong, it ain't no one-sided color. It don't matter what color you are. If you white and you being ratchet, you Asian and you being ratchet, you just being ratchet. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? And to me, I don't I've never understand why women want to sit there and be arguing over a man that's not even yours. Really, it's community's property. And as soon as he gets tired of both of you, he gonna move on to the next. But you in the store willing to lose your job where you gotta pay your bills or where you gotta take care of your kids and have a roof over your head, you willing to lose your job over this man. And it's known to say that you okay with it. Why would you be okay with that? Why? Ain't no way I'm gonna be okay with losing my job behind a man um that ain't no benefits. You know what I'm saying? He ain't asked me to marry him. He ain't asked me for no job. I mean, he not no job, but he ain't asked me to marry him. I'm not. I mean, I'm really not understanding. I'm really trying to figure it all out. But I guess as I figure it out, that's just the way people roll. That's just the way people are. Well, I wouldn't put up with it. I'm not finna deglose myself or be like uh be um not classy because this man that's working with me uh how you say it, this man working with me is mess around with this woman. Girl, why would you on you want to put yourself through that? You know? I mean, I wasn't saying it to get on the story, but I'm just saying I was just saying in general that when I had seen the story, I forgot about the story, y'all. And I was going to uh react on the story, but because it really don't appeal to the audience that I'm trying to get or the audience that I think is cute, I don't really find myself getting that type of audience. Because I don't find that cute for me. Because to me it's not cute, you know. Because if you acting like that and you degrading yourself, you're ratchet and you're ghetto. And that's just it. So now I didn't, it don't matter what color you are, what nationality you are, it goes for everybody. But I ain't gonna keep y'all on here. I'll see y'all later on this evening. Bye.